The University of East Anglia, in its procurement of its projects, is, I would say, risk adverse, and BIM, the BIM process, really helps to minimise the amount of risk. So we have a surety of programme, costs, quality, all the key metrics. Now, starting at the beginning of the project, we sat down with our architects in the early days and spent an afternoon round the table with a piece of software called Saphira, which is within the BIM process, and it allowed us to ask lots and lots of very quick what-if questions. So what if we made the insulation this big? What if we made it this big? What's the life cycle cost implications? What if we have triple glazing or double glazing? What if we change the cladding materials to this or that, and so on? So we could ask all these questions and have some very quick responses. So our earlier attempts at projects, we would set very high targets for U values, thinking that was the right thing to do. What we actually found was we found a sweet spot where the life cycle costing and the capital cost of those materials were in line with one another. So we found the optimal level of insulation, for example. We found that we could have double glazing and not triple glazing, but by using highly engineered, very good quality double glazing, it did the job we wanted it to do. So the U values, our targets, became secondary to finding actually what was the best value for this building. And this building is very, very efficient. We actually estimated that in that afternoon around the table, we saved £750,000. That's some going. We were very pleased. It was a good afternoon's work.